I like the taste of Rajbhog ice cream. Ice cream always works as a stress buster. Dry fruits enhances the taste. So let us make a refreshing ice cream together. Keep 1 cup cold milk aside and boil 1 liter whole milk. Always use full fat milk to get a rich texture. When milk starts boiling, reduce the heat. Add 3/4 cup sugar, a half cup mixed milk powder, 3 tablespoons mixed custard powder, 2 tablespoons mixed Agar Agar powder, 3 tablespoons mixed corn flour. Stir gently and let all the added ingredients mix well. Add 50 grams Khoya. Stir and mix. Add 10 to 15 strings of saffron mixed with milk. 2 pinch of grated nutmeg. A half teaspoon cardamom powder. Stir and mix and let the milk boil till the mixture becomes thick. Let the milk base become cool. Pour the mixture in a container and freeze for 4 to 5 hours. Remove the container from freeze, open cover and let it melt. Add the mixture in a bowl containing 150 ml fresh cream. Break the lumps of the mixture with the help of spatula. Add 6 to 8 drops of almond essence. 2 to 3 drops of orange food color. Beat the mixture at slow speed. Now beat with fast speed. Let the texture become smooth and creamy. Add a 1/4 cup of almond flakes and a 1/4 cup of pistachio flakes. Gently stir and mix with a spoon. Pour the mixture in a container and freeze for 6 hours. Remove the container from freeze and open its cover. Let the mixture melt and pour in a mixing bowl. Add 200 gram whipped cream in the bowl. Mix with spatula to make a soft mixture. Whisk thoroughly with a hand whisker. Perfect smooth mixture is ready. Pour in an airtight container and cover it with a plastic wrap. Put lid on it and freeze overnight. Take out the container from freeze. Take out Rajbhog ice cream in a serving bowl and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Garnish with almond and pistachio flakes on top. Thanks Thanks for watching.